Dude, he's so big. Look at this spot. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Oh, dude, look, get your rod. Go. Dude. Oh, no. No.
I'm backing up. Oh, my God. He's a 6-pounder, dude. He's a 6-pounder. He's a 6-pounder. Let him go. He's getting on top. He's such a giant. He went under the boat again. He's under the boat. He's a wild one. He's a wild one. Just hang on. He's not. He's almost there. You almost got him. Hang in there. He's gonna take you for another spin.
Holy crap.
Right after that, he picked it back up.